Hello everybody, my name is Has Almost Beef. Probably wondering, and I've seen a video from you, not gonna happen. Why should I watch you? Don't know. I'm sorry, I'm going to do some ops in the future, hopefully some SimCities. If this video gets about, because I'm just starting off, let's say 5 likes, then maybe I can post a series on this. And you're probably wondering, simple, I can just like you. Simple, all you have to do is take 5 seconds to click that like button. So today I'm going to just give a little tutorial on anvils. I'm sorry for the background noise. Someone's, I guess, hoovering up the place. So right then, let's get to it. They're probably wondering, what's up with the FPS? What is up? If I get more than 10 views, then if I get more than about 20 views, then hopefully I will actually be bothered to get some better FPS, because that encouraged me that you guys want me to do this. If you don't, suppose comment, doesn't matter, because then I'll stop doing this. Hopefully start on with a new one. If it's just 1 or 2, I'll stop. Anyway, I'm wasting my time because I only have the trial of this. So yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new world. Now obviously you can do this in survival, hardcore, or even creative. I'm just going to go on creative because I want to take not take time. So I'm going to type in, I'm sorry about my spelling, I don't care. Also, I will be playing with one of my other friends. His YouTube channel should be in the link. I hope that you enjoy. Maybe tomorrow's video will be about me playing some multiplayer. And I'll have to put up some good FPS that's going to lose actual FPS performance on my actual computer, but it'll load faster for you. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy that. And oh my goodness, where am I? What? Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Articles, minimal, max FPS. Oh, that's a lot better. So let's just make this piece of wood where our anvil is going to be placed. Now you're going to have to type in anvil or for the creative. If not, then you shall have to craft one. We're going to go for the normal anvil because anvils can break. So what you're going to do, this is how you put enchants on anvil. Enchant. I'm having some lag. Oh goodness, that's a lot of lag. Oh, I think my Minecraft just froze. Nope. Stupid cow taking up all of it. Say that I wanted fire aspect 2 on a butter sword. Well, with an anvil, it's called this golden sword, but since I'm from Skates Minecraft, I'm gonna name it butter sword. And right, that's okay. I've seen that before. You can name stuff. Well, to enchant them with enchanting books, you just add that. If you do it the other way around, doesn't work. So we've always got to do it this way. Now the enchantments depend on the cost. So let's say if I wanted sharpness 5, it would cost, let's say, I'm going to have a guess here, 14 levels. So since I'm in creative, I have unlimited levels, so... And boom! See, it even says down there. Oh. Now, and you're probably wondering, right, I've got my butter sword, it's probably going to break. So you're like, oh no! Let's go into game mode. 0. Probably breaking blocks isn't the most efficient way to break stuff, but right. You're probably wondering, oh no, it's gone. Oh my goodness, what is happening with this dirt number? Get away, I don't need you. So you're probably wondering, no. Thing is, you can actually heal your sword, but since this is butter and this is gold, it can be like same. I don't know what I'm not sure really what the bows you need. I'm guessing you need string. Right, let's test that now because not very many people have tested it. Damn it. That's good. I have 2 bows. Yeah. And some arrows. I suck at spelling. I'm sorry. You spelling freaks that are watching me. I'm sorry. Sorry. Everybody. Let's try and hit that cow from. They're probably calling me stupid, so I know how to hit a cow. Make them. I'm just gonna kill myself like this. Can't be bothered to get levels. Where Anvil. Also, Anvils are pretty easy to spot because we're in the middle of the forest. Yeah, I'm in game mode. Yeah, they're not that easy to spot. So let's try this. Oh, that doesn't work. That sucks. And this is the thing about anvils. You usually say you can't put efficiency on a butter sword. Oh god, my spelling sucks. Efficiency 5. Right. But to people that... Look, I've got efficiency 5 on a sword. That's pretty cool. And you're probably wondering, like, I'm not going to mine with this. Well, that made a difference from there. Slightly, anyway. I'm sorry for that misspelling. I'm gonna... Wait, can it be healed by ores and blocks? I'm not... Well, I haven't tested it out because it's easier just to grab a stack. I'm too lazy to do that. Nope, wrong way around. Seems like you can't do it for the blocks. Can't do it for the ore. You can only do it for the ingots. That's pretty cool. That's cool. Oh god, I have an arrow in my butt. This is so stupid, I got an arrow in my butt. I do have 10 minutes of recording time. So this might just cut off any minute. So I can't really do the outro. Otherwise I'll just take a ton of time to pause the recorder. Yeah. Takes some time and I'm lazy. So, yeah. And also, you're probably thinking, well, you know that anvils can damage